In today's video, you will see 8 benefits of carrots. We have seen carrots here on our channel in recipes for the skin, hair, lung cleansing, and we recently posted a video with a carrot jam recipe. Did you watch it? Check the suggestion at the end of this video. You certainly have heard that carrots are good for the eyes, but they have many other health benefits. Do you want to learn about them? Good for the eyes. Carrots are known for being good for eye health. Rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A, carrots protect the eye surface and contribute to its functioning. Eating carrots regularly helps prevent some diseases, such as macular degeneration, cataracts, and blindness. Carrots also contain lutein, an antioxidant that protects the eyes from harmful lights. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association proved that this antioxidant lowers the risk of macular degeneration, a disease related to old age and which may lead to loss of sight. Improves digestion. Because they are rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, carrots help fight constipation by increasing fecal matter volume. They also reduce intestinal transit and help stimulate the proliferation of good gut bacteria. Makes the skin prettier. The carotenoids found in carrots play a protective role on all the skin layers, reducing the sensitivity to ultraviolet light, UV, and increasing the minimum level of exposure to these rays. Besides that, carrots have a high antioxidant action thanks to lipoic acid in all of the body, slowing the aging process and preventing and treating skin diseases like psoriasis, which causes redness and irritation. Strengthens the immune system. Adding carrots to your diet keeps the immune system strong and aids the body in fighting infections more easily. Thanks to the antioxidants that fight free radicals caused by cigarettes, pollution, or stress, cell damages, and inflammation. They also contain vitamins A and C that strengthen the immune system and benefit lung health, helping with respiratory allergies. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Helps with weight loss. Eating carrots daily helps increase satiety, as a medium-sized raw carrot contains around 3.2 grams of fiber. Carrots are also low in calories and can be eaten both raw or cooked. You won't lose weight just by eating carrots though, and its consumption should be accompanied by a diet low in calories, fats, and sugar. Raw carrots have a low glycemic index, GI, and thus keep glycemia controlled, which favors weight loss and is also good for diabetic people. The GI of a cooked or pureed carrot is slightly higher, and you should try to moderate its consumption. Contributes to cholesterol reduction. Because it is rich in lycopene, a type of carotenoid found in red foods, carrots can help control bad cholesterol. The darker the carrot, the more lycopene it has. Lycopene acts as a first defense line, reducing the oxidative changes of LDL, the bad cholesterol, and lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Besides that, carrots are rich in fiber, which lower cholesterol levels by lowering fat absorption by the intestines. Protects against cardiovascular diseases. The beta-carotene found in carrots protects the body, preventing cardiovascular diseases by inhibiting the oxidative process of LDL, the bad cholesterol, and changing its absorption at the intestinal level thanks to its high fiber content. Improves brain function. Beta-carotene can also improve cognitive function and lower the risk of memory and dementia problems associated with old age. These brain damages happen because of oxidative stress, which weakens the nerve signaling and reduces cognitive function. Carrots contain a carotenoid known as luteolin, which can reduce memory deficits related to age and brain inflammation. This food also has an antioxidant action that prevents cell aging. Carrots are one of the most consumed vegetables and can be used in many dishes: salads, stir-fries, stews, pies, and cakes, and juice. It can be eaten cooked, baked, grilled, or even raw, preferably unpeeled and thoroughly sanitized. Eating too many carrots results in yellow skin, especially in the mucosa and palm of the hands. This happens because of the carotenoids. Small children must eat carrots in moderation, especially those with a family history of food and respiratory allergies caused by pollen. Diabetic people must also eat carrots in moderation because of their high sugar contents. Because of fiber, carrots may also cause flatulence and even diarrhea when eaten in excess. So, did you know all the benefits of carrots? Which ones did you know? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.